So today we will study about the image formation by a convex mirror. Okay, in the last video we have covered the topic image formation by concave mirror. Now this is your image formation by convex mirror. Okay, so in this case, topic, the first case is when the object is between infinity and pole. See, this is your pole, right? And here there will be infinity point. So we are keeping the object at this place. This AB is your object. I have written is AB, object is equal to AB. This AB is your object, right? And this is your convex mirror. This is your shaded portion. So there are two rays. One is this one, which is parallel to the principal axis, and one is this one, which is going straight to the pole. All right. So after reflection, this ray is traveling back in this direction, and this ray, which is going straight to the pole, it reflects back with equal angle of reflection in this direction. So the image formed is this place. Okay, A dash B dash, this is your image. Okay, and the position of this image is between pole and focus. This is the pole, this is the focus. So this image is formed in between these 2 points, pole and focus. Okay, now this size of the image, this is diminished. Okay, this is smaller than the size of the object. Clear? You can also see it from this video also, that this A dash B dash, the height of this A dash B dash is smaller than AB. Okay, and nature, see, this is the mirror. Image is formed on the right hand side of the mirror, so it is behind the mirror. So this object is erect and virtual. Virtual because this is in right hand side, and erect because it is above the principal axis. Alright, so this is your first case. Clear? Alright, so now this is the second case when the image is formed by the convex mirror. Alright, in this case the object is kept at infinity. Alright, so this AB, I am considering this AB is the object which is kept at infinity. Alright, and these are the two rays which are your incident rays. Right, so when these two rays are coming, see, both these rays are parallel to their principal axis. Alright, so after striking the mirror, what is happening? These two rays are reflecting back, and these are the two reflected rays, this one and this one. Alright, so the image formed is obviously behind this mirror, and where they are formed, this, when we extend this reflected ray, so both these rays are intersecting at this point. Alright, so this is your focus, and the image is formed at this point only. Clear? So in this case the object is kept at infinity. The position of image, this is the position of image at this point. So this is behind the mirror and at the focus, यहाँ पे इस point पे. ठीक है? Size, obviously the image is formed at this point, at this focus point, so it is highly diminished, extremely small point object image. Alright, and the nature, as you can predict now, the nature of the image is virtual because it is formed behind the mirror, and it is erect because the point, although it is point object, point image, but it is still above this principal axis, so it is erect and virtual. Alright, so these are the only two types of image formation in case of your convex mirror. Okay, thank you.